Alright, welcome everyone. Newest project here is ROKR Steampunk Music Box Robot. Well, Orpheus. Saw this and I thought it looked cool. Looks like you can pose it a little bit. It's got the glass globes on it. I like that. Looked good on. Look, the Chocolate Factory had those on there. I had one of those globes on it. It looked pretty cool. So let's get this thing popped open and see what we can see in there. Get a better look at the layout and how I'm going to pace it. And I've got I have a new system in place. I don't know, I wouldn't say it's more professional, but maybe it's less amateur. So I've got a better look at the display, so I'm going to be able to see more quickly what you're seeing and hopefully adjust as necessary. Oh yeah, I didn't see how many pieces was this and all that good stuff. Where are you? Recommended. It's always here on the back. You've probably already seen it. Maybe it's on the front. Ah, there it is. 221 pieces. It's a level 4. I'm not sure if that counts for anything or not, but come on, guys. All right. And upside down. Let's get you out of there. Set you to the side. And uh-oh. There's our globe and our music box and LEDs. I don't know if is it pre-batterized? Nope. I'm gonna have to provide batteries for it. 3 button batteries going there. Wow. All right. Got a rice paper thing. It must be. That's probably a filter for the light. Few dowels and one bead. Interesting. Some tweezers, a couple of rods. That's the turnkey, probably the turnkey for the music box, and a teeny tiny screwdriver. And standard ROKR card. Happy with the thing? Yes, I am. And okay, how many? And I'm gonna reuse that glue. I'm gonna toss this stuff and reuse the glue that came with that last one because I really ended up liking that. I'm gonna find out more about it and hopefully order me some to use regularly because it just worked good. It was thick, but it wasn't too thick and it wasn't too thin. Okay, what we got. Front and back, 31 total steps, but looks reasonably complicated. Okay, and how many times are we going to have to use the glue? Okay, there's some glue. It doesn't look like I'm going to use it a tremendous amount of times. 3 or 4 times it looks like. Okay. Maybe that won't be so bad. That's one of the things that I've been going towards the ROKR sets for is because they use so little glue. Let's see. Get a seam cut there so I can get this open. Maybe. Yeah. Another piece of sandpaper. And let's see what we got here. I'm on the wrong side because the writing's on this side. Okay. And they have done the thing where they write all the, well, it's not on all of them, but some of the pieces have the actual number written on them, so that's cool. I do like that. Okay, we've got A and we've got alpha. Hopefully we don't have B and beta. Yep, B and beta. C and D. I wonder what the rationale between having uppercase A and lowercase a is. Instead of A, B, C, D, E. They didn't ask me, so. Well, you know, they're not. Looks like there's a lot of pieces in this, but it's not, you know, too bad. Doesn't look like there's many tiny pieces. Lots of gears and cogs and everything. They're decoration. I don't think you actually get to any cog stuff on this one. So, hand these out so I can make the thumbnail after a while. But there you have it, folks. That's where we're at. This is going to be my next little episode. 30 steps, maybe 5 videos. You know, 4 to 6 steps per video to see where it gets us. I'm just, you know, go at whatever pace it feels right to. I don't want to get. I'm trying to keep the videos shorter rather than longer most of the time. So, with that being said, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.